In 2026, multifunctional clothing shooting, styling rack professional version installation video. Let's first get to know the accessories. This is the collar expansion rod, which can be adjusted to the width of the collar. These are for different lengths of telescopic rods. The feature is that the length can be easily adjusted, from 16 centimeters to 87 centimeters. There are 4 specifications, according to your needs. To the appropriate part, this is a metal elbow, with a spring inside and plastic coating. Its feature is that it can be bent repeatedly, straighten and withstand a certain weight. It is suitable for making curved shapes. This is the main bracket that can be folded. It's connected by 3 metal slots. Slightly loosen these screws to adjust the width by sliding. This is for adjusting the shoulder slope, metal elbow, and shoulder elbow. This part cannot be separated, but the nut can be removed for overall removal. This is a reserved fishing line fixing screw. You can install fishing line when needed. Hang these 2 screws, loosen them a bit. The upper rod. The upper rod can also be slid to adjust the width. This is the damping angle adjuster, which can adjust the inclination of the side. This is the tripod connection port. This is a universal expansion slot. It can be clamped on the tripod pole. Turn it loose here to adjust the direction. There are multiple interfaces here. You can connect extension rods, connect the extension rod, metal elbow, or iron wire connectors and other objects. This is the underarm support rod, which can efficiently flatten the underarm clothes to stretch the short sleeves. This is the side metal rod, installed in this position. This is a collar support rod. It's used to support the stand-up collar and half-high collar. This is positioning wire, which is used for auxiliary positioning in some cases. This is a silicone tube. It can be put on the pole in some cases to fix the clothes with needles. These large washers and screws, when using the foam, are installed at the end of the pole to prevent the foam tube from slipping. This is a shaping pin, used to fix clothes with needles. This is a screw with a silicone head. Sometimes it is needed to fix the clothes. This is a tie-down strap to tie a hanger on the shelf. These are spare fishing lines and pins, and spare small screw washers. Don't lose them. These are the free screwdrivers and wrenches. This is a cuff filler to open the cuffs. This is an open foam tube. Put it on the pole with a joint in the middle to cross obstacles. Various lengths of foam tubes can be flexibly combined and used